Okay, we are at, ooh, that's a big dog right there. We are at the Baileyton, Tennessee KOA. This is a new section. You see the building they're putting down there. All this here is fairly new. Yeah, I'm new at this, so get used to it. These are some nice sites. They said they're 80-foot pull-throughs. You got the table, grill. It's a pretty nice place here. Still quite a few spots. Today is what, Thursday, October or something. I don't know. Pumpkins. Uh-oh. Vicious dog. It's a neat gate setup. There's plenty of room here. Nice little area. That's a big shepherd.
Yeah, it's a big baby.
Oh, there's the dog area up there. So you got 2 rows of sites down there. I didn't count, but it's a lot. Now this is my first time at a campground, so I'm still learning. This is overflow parking or visitor parking. You got all that area to go run around and play if you got your pets with you. You can play basketball right there. Kiddie area. All right. Had it on a different setting and it used up the whole card and too quick. Anyway, we're starting back out, walking around. Let's go see what they're building. It's going to be their new sign-in in their store. She said it'd be next year sometime. So this will be the new driveway. Looks like an old log cabin. That's pretty cool. Oh, look. We should go steal a couple of these and go riding around. Heck with those, I'd go take me a golf cart. This is their current check-in and store, which isn't very much at the moment, but they're working on it. Oh, let's see. Come in there. You got a pool. You got the pond. Let's walk over here and see what is over here. Look, pet walk. You pick up after your pets. If you need propane, they got you covered. I have no idea what this is. Coach Cliff's Gaga Ball. All right, never heard of it. Oh, look, you can pan for gold. If you so desire. And the fish pond. If you wanted to go fishing, you just need a pole. Most of my videos are probably not going to be edited, so if I sound like I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to say, that's because I am. I ain't got time for all that editing crap. That water doesn't look so clean there. I don't see any fish. They're probably underwater. I see a golfing markers out there. If you wanted to golf, you could do that. Alright, hopefully this is the last section. Here you've got the cabins that you can stay at. I think there's 4 of them. And they have trash pickup, which is kind of cool. You just put your trash out and they come pick it up. Beautiful Sunday morning. We're fixing to pack up and roll out. There's the pavilion up there. Got all that land. Not going to walk down the middle here, but you've got your sights a little smaller. These are all you have to back in. I've already walked this here, but backtracking. Salty pirate lives here with his mermaid. It's a nice coach. Wrong way. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to go down this way. Good morning. This is the back side of our pull through. Yes. Thank you. Well, that's a first. Is that a camera? Yes. Guess it's hard to see way over there. I know I said I wasn't going to edit this video, but we figured out pretty easy. It's kind of basic, but it's not going to be anything fancy like those big time YouTubers. So you get this row of trees, just kind of nice. Then the two lines of pull-throughs. We're down here somewhere. Oh, look at the dog. Hey, dog. Somebody's got a fire going this morning. It is a little chilly out here, but it's nice. It's comfortable. Love it. The best weather. Somebody's got an old school bus done up. All the way from New York. 42 miles an hour probably. And as you can see, there's the new office down there, which you've seen already. And here we are in slot number D4. So it's time to pack up and move them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Since I'm a newbie at camping and videoing and editing, and everything else related to this. So if you like it, great. If you don't, let me know. I'm not going to care either way. Till next time.